A3 G6 DTF printer. Preparing to print, connecting to a computer. Connect the network cable to the computer. Power on and wait for the machine to perform its self-test. Insert the silver USB drive into the computer. Prepare to install the software. Insert the USB into the computer to prepare for installing the ERA software. ERA Software Installation Guide. Note: ERA software is being installed. Note: after installing ERA, wait for the software to open. First, set the canvas size. Select drive and DTF1390. Note: make sure to find the option labeled 1390. Note: after selecting, be sure to click Set as Default before Quit. Print Settings Demonstration. Note: prevent image printing from bleeding at the edges. Don't place patterns directly next to the canvas edges. Note: once the progress bar hits 100, the machine starts printing automatically.